Hello everyone.
In this video, we're going to learn how to enable developer options on a Fire TV. To enable developer options on a Fire TV, first go to the far right section, the settings wheel. From here, scroll down to device and software. This step might be slightly different if you have an external Fire TV stick instead of a Fire TV television like you see here. In that case, it's a bit different. Here it shows as device and software, but on a Fire TV stick it shows as My Fire TV. Either way, just enter whichever option appears. In this case, if you're doing this from a television, you'll see device and software. Once you're in device and software, click on the About section. Once you're in this section, press the center button on your remote 7 times in a row, the regular select button, while hovering over your TV right here. As you'll see, once in this section, if we press 7 times, as you can see below, it says it's not necessary since I'm already a developer. I've done this before, but for you, it'll say you're now a developer. Right now, if you go back, you'll see a new option down here called Developer Options. If you go in, as you can see, we can enable one of the most popular features on these TVs or operating systems, the ability to install third-party or external apps. So this is the step you absolutely must do if you want to install an external app. Enable developer options. Alright guys, that wraps up the video. As always, I hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, it's super important, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.